Model: 60-plate VAUXHALL Vivaro long wheelbase, 2.0 CDTI double cab factory crew cab body, white, crew cab mileage, 169,000 engine, 1,995 CCM 9R, 115 bhpg transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs perfect once running, diagnosed as needing injector number 2 replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Also the clocks are not working but very occasionally do flash up, would need a replacement set. The mileage is around 169 km. Grin condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: long wheelbase factory fitted crew cab, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear cap, retail, £3,750. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.